What is going on, everyone? ggkickzz here. If you guys are new to the channel, I want you guys to press that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell, man. Really helps a lot. Hope everybody's having a super blessed day today. I got a weird shoe today. It's a kind of a dope color. I don't know, it's growing on me, especially since I got it in hand. It looks pretty dope. So this is a size 10.5 here, and it's basically an Air Jordan 1, but it's a bit different. You guys can see the Nike logo here has like the dotted lines, and you guys will see what that is all about in a moment. So yeah, this box is pretty dope, pretty different. The boxes of these shoes coming nowadays, man, it's getting better and better. So take the top off. Underneath this brown paper right here, you have this sneaker that's built around a bunch of different colors, man, but it's pretty dope, especially the extra laces that it brings and everything like that. This one I already laced it up. Here are your other 3 extra laces. I'm gonna lace swap those for you guys as well. But yeah, man, this shoe right here is pretty clean. Here's the unlaced dead stock one. So straight off the bat, this is what I love the most about this shoe right here. This little Nike swoosh right there on the toe box, super fresh. Got your nice nubuck around this toe box as well. So we're gonna start off with the outsole of the sneaker here in all black finish, super dope. Then you got your black outsole, white midsole, a nice nubuck is coming around here, kind of like this nice grayish cream color. And then in the inner linings there, I don't know if you guys can see that there, but that is 3M. So there's a lining that goes around the shoe that is 3M, which is very dope. And then this part back here is also, but I'm skipped. Then you have your orange Nike swoosh right there on the toe box. The toe box is made out of this smooth leather material. Very nice touch. Feels better than usual, to be honest. In the middle part of the shoe, also smooth white leather. The Nike swoosh is made up of this black leather material, and it has it out, and it's outlined in the white stitching, kind of like the overall theme of the shoe right there. But I'll show you guys why it's there for. It's not because it's True Religion or anything like that. They're the only ones that comes to mind when I think about like making the stitching contrast the shoe. Then the back heel of the sneaker, the bottom half is made out of this, it feels like plastic leather, to be honest, but it's made out of, I don't even know. Yeah, it feels like plastic. Going around the back of the sneaker, and then in the middle, I don't even know what side this is on, but you guys can see it right there. It feels like those Air Jordan 3s, the Lab something. That's literally what it is. It's all 3M. This whole thing right here lights up, going around the medial heel of the shoe as well. All of that lights up. Then you have your orange contrast stitch in that, which is very dope. And then on the top part, I feel like they used the best material, but you guys are gonna go crazy once I tell you, but this suede right here is phenomenal. And then you guys can see this dotted line right here. That's actually to cut the whole shoe in half and turn it into a low top, mid top type shoe, however far you want to go. But look at that. I will not be doing that this video, guys, but I don't know if you guys can see there, if the camera's picking it up. I don't know if the camera's picking up the stitching there, but that's a very nice touch. The tongue is made up of this nylon material going all the way up into the tongue. Nike tongue tag is orange. Behind it, you have the credits is also in orange. Inside insole is blue, Nike logo in orange. Yeah, man, this shoe is very dope. Now let's get some better laces on these, okay? Here are the orange laces. Black laces. So this shoe actually reminds me of the Air Jordan 1 Switch, I believe it's called. I'll put a picture up there. I know a couple players already got their PEs and stuff for them, and it's a very dope shoe because it's a zipper shoe, which I really want, and you unzip it and you take the whole top off and it turns into a low top. If you want it back on, you just zipper it back up. All right, now with all that being said, I'm gonna be rating these a 7 out of 10. Colorway is the shoe concept is dope. The Nike thingies on the toe box is dope. the way that you can cut it, which I will not be because it's permanent. They actually got one coming out with the switch that I was talking about earlier. It's like a zipper where you can literally take it off and put it back on. But these are just not that it for me. It's dope with a good outfit, you know, not a shoe that you can wear a lot, to be honest, unless you cut the top half off and then just rock black laces or something, or white laces. It brought white laces as well. But yeah, you guys let me know what you guys thought of this Air Jordan 1 in the comment section down below. This was ggkickzz. I appreciate you guys for watching the video, and thank you guys for all the like and support. See you guys in the next one.